ResearchGate. For this, you need to have a ResearchGate account, and after opening the ResearchGate, you just have to go to the jobs menu, this one, and what you want to search, like PhD or masters or something like that. So say suppose we are looking for PhD scholarship now, and here from you have to check the region that in which region you want to search. So suppose I want to look for PhD position in Europe. I just selected this one, and from here you can select a filter of which department you want to search. So suppose for this I am selecting mechanical engineering because this belongs to my research field, and just click. Once you click, you will find a number of PhD positions which are already offered in different universities. Now you can see here in University of 20, there is a couple of positions, and also a number of jobs also in this field. So from here you can just open this one, and here it is everything written in very clearly. You can see what is the description of job, project design, profile, what kind of degree they are required for this program, and what is the requirement for English. Each and everything is like perfectly written, and details about offer. They are offering almost 2000 euro per month. Then after checking all the details, if that position is related to you, then you can go for the application page. Usually it goes on the website of their university. Now you can see here that this is the advertisement on the website of their university. Just you can go and apply now. After applying, you can simply upload all the required documents like CV, research plan, and all the necessary details, and just save it or submit it. This is a very good and very easy process for any kind of scholarship on the ResearchGate. Uh, Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments.